My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, na 13 January 2023. Oga Water Connector man, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Me want to talk to you. So my name is Sabuni. What about your name?
My name now Mr. Obi now, Water Connector.
So one day I come monitor water. Water Connector. One of our viewers from a do talk show. Give you now come monitor for today. Will take me around the world, whether you're finished or you see day on it. Before okay. They take me around the world, Oga Water Connector man, wait till you go tell our viewers when they patronize you through this our shine.
All I want to say is that thank you guys for patronizing me, at least for reaching out for me, and for giving me your trust in doing your jobs. I really appreciate you now, and God will bless you now. And since some of my suppliers, I say God will give now more money, more blessings. Work when they work, where they bring money they come out from. Now double promotion I will see them. That's my prayer for now. I really appreciate na time, na patience. Even get some people where say they say give me like this or tell me I'll come measure on. They get that kind of belief, they get that belief, get that patience for me. I come measure and come deliver for them. Now God will bless you now. Now, this one I want for my client house. Yeah. So now upstairs in this one. So our client requested for white material. No say white day, black day. So this one now we started this work yesterday morning. So we just finished about 30 minutes ago. So I will show you around the house. It's a upstairs, 4 flats.
Okay. Before you show me around the house, our viewer, before you give any of our clients, we got to call our number there on top of this video. So okay, show me the work.
Okay, so now here we take start the work.
Okay.
So this one now 10 dropping.
Okay.
This one the first dropping.
Okay.
Yes.
May I show our viewers the first dropping as we talk. Okay, more they go.
Okay. So as we put the gutter now, see where we put a day.
Okay.
See where the joiner, where they join the two gutter together. Now be that center one. So
okay.
So we see the second drop in here, and see another gutter joiner for this side. So you join the gutter too. So this one is the second drop in. If you notice now, the second drop in might be this one for the side of the house. If you notice now, we interlock it already did the house already. We start making the kind of come down well. If you know for our previous videos, if interlock you not there, we they kind of go fast more so that make the fee see chance.
Okay, filler.
Yes.
Okay, after the feed, they'll do the interlocking.
Interlocking. So I mean, space they will do the fill and the interlock. That's why sometimes if you see some of the work we ever do interlocking, they will the reason go all small. I just want I don't do this one now. You don't they come down. You know so.
Okay, as the water will come, I will make you fear.
No, for the
so without not enjoy
the thing. You know, see so. So if you see notice now, the reason why all these things they are called this dropping.
Okay, this very this
yes, now this kind drop they cause some this you say if they drop water get force and this one now it don't they come like this, it could they slow the pressure of the water. Now the function of this able so we see the third one for this side. So see the third one. So the same thing we do for this third one. So on that. You see the pipe we make them 4 4 1 2 3 4. So now the third drop it for the side of the house, reach down. So now it be this one. So see one at the back of the house now.
Okay, now the back of this.
You see this place now, we be like say it get V. Now they call outer. Now they connect them to the other gutter we go reach this side. So this one now. This one at the first dropping now. This one now. The same pattern but you do for front. Now we do for here. So the same pattern. Now we just hold that like this. Okay, so I can go now because people on that type for here. Because we do now 2 we put for back.
Okay, now 2 now they put for back.
Put for back.
But you feel whole and wear.
I feel whole and wear. So sometimes depend on the clients. They say they won't like make and three, but normally it's supposed to be day 2 for back because now upstairs the thing white, the house white, here now blockade white, a white base. See the one for that one for up there, one down. See, if you see our work now, if they put gum with the screw am, maybe they not solid. They get some people they go put ordinary gum, they don't go screw am, which is not advisable because the water get pressure. You need something supporting. At least as gum there, you must use screw. You understand? Now screw way do am, so make it very very strong. No guy want to come the for shake or wave, maybe constant breeze. See the other edge here. So you see the other side now. So the other dropping for the side of the house. The same pattern we do for the front. Now we do for this the side of the house on that side.
And then they say 4 till tap on.
Yeah, they say 4.
1,
1, 2,
3, 4. Okay, make 4 solid.
Yeah, it's solid very well. So you see the other one there here. The other dropping there here. The same pattern 1, 2, 3, then 4. Most time we can come down where we're to the level. We don't say water go flow. No go even say get any.
Okay, drop me the rock pipe. This one you hear the flow.
Well, yes, very very well. So see the other. So the other one there for the engine of the house there. Same pattern, you know, they say all of them. Everybody must get his own function, his own clip. And no one say this one carry 2, this one carry 1, this one carry 4 as we do them. So they say transparency. The get of people now they go just go back, go they use 2 clip for back. Because say people they use they look at back like that, they'll all use 4 for front, use 2, which is not advisable. If the customer give you money with trust, you post do waiting he wants call of next time because they do that kind of thing now. Customer look you like say person, you know, they straightforward. So our things that's what we do and 4 call of next time because we pray for our client make he build more houses so that if you call us maybe do more work. So you see this one the outer, you see this inner now, the inner because of the gutter because it go inside. So I say you'll be. And you see this one too. This one the piping, yeah. Because of the pressure. We won't put on for you. They say no. Now here go 2 parts because water they gather for here well. And that's why you put the pipe for so that make the pressure reduce. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you do for this one too.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the last one they from
last
there.
one, this one really for so. So this one. The last piping now.
You silent that your phone small.
Okay. So
okay, here now be the last.
The last one.
Okay.
So maybe go to the security house. We do for the security house. If you notice, the roofing for this house is the one sent down.
This very.
So that's why all the water now for the back today. So we can't put on for the back for
the security house. The back now put on.
For the back because of the zinc.
Oh, there's slope
on this side. Yeah. You see, so this is called stopper. We can't block them. Now we can't block them for them. So we can't put the pipe here.
Yes, that your phone silent. Come. Okay, now 2 now put for this security house.
No, now 1 because of the.
No, the clip. Me take clip for wall.
Okay. Now 2. Now I'll be upstairs. Not be upstairs. Not be upstairs in this one. Now 2 be used for there. Will not be upstairs.
So my people,
yes sir.
Now where the water connector man for work, now you take me around for this very house. So you don't show me the work we do here. See do for the back of a security house. So okay, water connector man, I've seen the house the water connector man. Few questions. Like how much material of water connector enter this very house?
Okay, when you enter this very house, with the material, with the labor, with everything that we connect has now 450,000 naira.
Okay, 450. Both your workmanship.
Yeah, both the workmanship
and the buying of the material.
And you notice this material, the hanger, now 4-4. So now I make everything, both the hanger, both the long screw, both the materials, both the labor, both the transport. I bought it out for 450.
Okay. In case of other, have you ever come across this work through and you see one for them like that?
Yes, if it is house like this, you understand? It depends on how the house is. Get some houses where they big patch each other. So you get some houses like this one. I get some houses where this one big pass. If it did lesser, it depends on how we go pay measure for them. So this one now because both the security house now be this one. Get some houses where this now only one house. Depend on how the shape of the house. No matter even they get some down houses where they even cost pass upstairs because of how the pattern of the house is. So
okay, you do it for them like that.
Yes.
Okay. A quick call number when our viewer.
Okay, my number now 070-6978-6509.
Come again.
070-6978-6509.
And your WhatsApp number.
Yeah, WhatsApp
number.
No,
number see them with the filter issue.
Yes.
And we rush stop down.
Okay, 080-33-88-4611.
So my people, I greet you for the time until they watch this video.
Thank you.